What is the most unforgivable thing your parents did? My mom and I only have 15 years of age difference because she got pregnant with me when she was just 15. Her and my dad got married when they were 18, but divorced 2 years later, so my mom became a single parent most of my life. Anyway, growing up we fought a lot and I had to move out by 17 because we can't stand each other. When I was 23, I got married, and my husband and I struggled to conceive because I have unexplained infertility. When I found out my husband has been cheating on me after multiple failed IVF, our marriage went rough, and my mom suddenly appeared and helped me go through my miscarriages. She visits more often than in the past and became close to my husband. A year later, I found out my mom, who was 39 at that time, was pregnant after finding out a bunch of positive pregnancy tests in the trash bin. I doubt she was seeing someone because she never mentioned anyone. When I confronted her, she told me it was probably from a one-night stand. I asked if she knew the guy and she said yes. A part of me was happy and same time disappointed because my mom got pregnant easily. Well, after my last failed IVF treatment, my husband served me divorce papers, and I found out the person who got my mom pregnant was my husband.